guys, Editing Kara here. Thanks for coming to the video. I want to let you guys know that I do have a giveaway going on. It ends February 1st. It is for a full Trend Mood box, Volume 1. And this is the one with the Ola Henriksen skincare products, as well as the Natasha Denona Mini Tropics palette and other cool stuff. And just go to the video that looks like this, with me holding the purple boxes and oh my god, I think I look like Charles Manson in this photo. I don't know what I was thinking. But go to that video so you can enter, and good luck. Hey guys, it's me, Kara, from ChampagneTaste Kara. We're going back into tjmaxx. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, say hi, tell me what you're doing these days, and also subscribe. Hit the notification bell because I am always uploading these tjmaxx Marshalls videos. Let's see what we can find. Okay, here I am at my regular section. I'm already detecting a major problem. The palette rack is gone. Remember when they put in a palette rack right after Christmas, when the Christmas stuff left? The palette rack is gone. This is crazy. Right here is where there was a palette rack. That was like the best thing. Now it's gone. So this looks nice. This is Blush Neutrals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette by BH Cosmetics. I hear the BH Cosmetics blushes are quite nice. This is $6.99, and you seem to get 5 of those blushes at the bottom. And then we do have several of the Razzle Dazzle Berry by Too Faced, the Tutti Frutti line, for $14.99. I already have this one. And we also have the Triple Scoop Highlighting Palette. This one is $16.99. And then several of the blushes, $9.99. This is Papaya Pop. This is Like My Melons, $9.99. And then the cherry one's called Cherry Bomb. And this one is Pomegranate. So we have the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is in Light 1 Siberia. There you go, that's expensive. It's $14.99. I like this foundation. I have this one at home. Like it, it's good. And we have the MAC Aladdin. This is the powder blush, and I think it's called something about jumps. Jump jumps. I'll write it down below. This is $19.99. So this is the NARS Illuminator in Orgasm. I think this is the tube one. This is $7.99. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, this is the tube one. It's like you can use it on your face or your body. Here's the Anastasia blush kit. This is in Gradient, right there. And it is for deeper skin tones. Like if you look at Blackberry, it's like very deep, very gorgeous. This is $14.99. And there was a version for lighter skin tones, and I think the packaging might be lighter. It has a different name. And here are a bunch of the Complexion Rescue. This is a tinted hydrating gel cream. This is really nice. It also has SPF 30 in it. Lots of different shades. This is $6.99. And you can see a bunch of different shades. It's so nice. I really like that product. Ooh, a Revolution blush palette. Ooh, look at this. $4.99. I'm going to check this out. This is the Revolution Ultra Blush Palette. Here is the inside. 8 shades. Seems to be 4 shimmers. These 2 by my thumb are matte. And then these 2 at the end, it says that they're baked. Interesting. Here's a Milani bronzer. This is the Bronzer XL All Over Glow. This is an 01, so it's presumed to be the lightest, I guess. This is an 01 Bronze Glow, and it is $2.99. This is also a really giant product. This is Revolution Skin Kiss. This is in Dream Kiss highlighter, and it's $2.99. This is the Tutti Frutti Juicy Fruits Comfort Lip Glaze. The shade is Yummy Rummy, and this one is $5.99. And we have the Algenist Universal Prime Illuminate Correct. It's called the Reveal Color Correcting Primer. I have this. It's really excellent. It is $5.99. I mean, I can't really say it color corrects, but it's just like a really, really nice primer. So here we have a Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this is in the shade Mercury, and this is $5.99. What's interesting is that people that got the Beautylish Lucky Bags, some of them got the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in it, and those people, a bunch of them got this, the Riviera palette, which is $24.99 here at TJ Maxx. And those people got this. They got the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow trio of the minis. This is $12.99 at TJ Maxx. Just personally, I would have been so disappointed that, you know, they got this. They got Riviera, they got this, and they got that other product I just showed you down there. And that's not why I would buy a Beautylish bag. I buy it because you expect to get good brands in them, and I don't know, I think the Beautylish bags were just a little disappointing this year. But check out my video of the Jeffree Star Beautylish bag that I got. I'll leave it down below. This is the It Superhero palette. This one is $19.99. It's supposed to have anti-aging properties in the shadows. We have a Marc Jacobs Omega Shadow. This is an Oh Mercy, $7.99. And BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette is here. It's been here for a few weeks now. It's $8.99. Here we have a whole bunch. Here we have a whole bunch of the Blink for BoxyCharm eyeshadow palettes. These are $6.99. There's a whole bunch of them. And yeah, it looks like BoxyCharm's selling maybe directly to TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I don't know. Or they're using a liquidator that sells to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because I am finding some BoxyCharm exclusive products here all of a sudden. So I found some blushes here. This is the e.l.f. in Mellow Mauve. This one is selling for $2.99. And here we have the shade. This seems to be a really popular shade for e.l.f. blushes. And this is Mellow Mauve, and it's only $2.99. And then this is Bare Minerals, the Bounce and Blur blush. I thought this is in the shade Blurred Buff. I thought these were really pretty new. Like maybe they came out this summer, I'm not quite sure. But this is $7.99. I'm hoping to find more shades of these in the future. And I looked at this one, and it looks a tiny little bit like it might have a little shimmer in it. I don't know if I'm imagining that or not, though. This is the Milani Little Spotlight palette. This is 01 Sunlight. This is $2.99. Here are the Milani Color Harmony blushes. These were selling for $12.99, and this is $2.99. I believe they're getting discontinued. This is in, I think, Bronze Burst. It's the 02. And this is the Milani Illuminating Face Powder with a little rose design on it. This is an 02 Hermosa Rose, and it is $2.99. This might also be another product that's being discontinued, although I'm not sure about this one. Here is a single matte Sephora colorful eyeshadow all by itself. And the price tag, well, you can't read it. Or can we? Okay, $5.99 for a single eyeshadow from Sephora. This is the Desert Oasis palette by BH Cosmetics. These are always a great buy here at TJ Maxx. This is $7.99. This is the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur eyeshadow, 5 eyeshadow palette. This one is in Dusk, and it goes for $12.99. And their Bounce and Blur line is pretty new, I thought. Here is the Laura Mercier eyelash curler. Looks to be gold. And this is $4.99. So this is Origins Hello Calm Relaxing and Hydrating Face Mask with Cannabis Sativa Oil. Down at the bottom it says non-intoxicating. Why buy it? It's $14.99. This is First Aid Beauty. Haven't seen this before. This is the Pure Skin Conditioning Eye Makeup Remover. It is 4 ounces. It's $8.99. Here's Origins Plantscription Retinol Night Moisturizer with Alpine Flower. It is 1 ounce and it's $29.99. Here's some more Origins. This is the Mega Mushroom Skin Relief. This is the Micellar Cleanser, 6.7 ounce. This is $19.99. And then the Origins Modern Friction Nature's Gentle Dermabrasion. This is $12.99, 1.7 ounce. And then here's Neutrogena. This City Shield stuff is supposed to be really, well, the Hydra Boost line is supposed to be really good. This is the City Shield Eye Serum. So it's drugstore, but cheaper here at TJ Maxx. It's $7.99. And you can also get the Facial Gel Mist, which has hyaluronic acid. That sounds nice. And this is $9.99. And then these are little small sizes. This is the Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. It's a 10-minute mask, First Aid Beauty. How much is that? $4.99. And then this is the Facial Radiance Intensive Peel, 1 ounce, $4.99. So I think I'll try this one out myself. So I didn't know that TJ Maxx sold these, $5.99 by Sky Organics. So this is the clearance aisle. It's a whole aisle. So Alginist Alive Prebiotic Balance and Moisturizer SPF 15 marked down to $12. Here's an Alginist mask. This is the Clarifying Pore Corrector mask. This marked down to $16. Ooh, Eve Lom. So the Eve Lom Moisture Cream is marked down to $24. And this is a very pricey brand. This is 1.6 ounce. This is the Kate Somerville, the blue packaging is for acne. This is the Eradicate mask. It is 2 ounces, marked down to $20. This is IGK Prenup Yellow Tag, $6. It's an instant spray hair mask. Here is the Urban Decay Pro Contour Shapeshifter F113 brush. And this is on clearance for $8. This one is by Blur. This is Instant Tinted Skin Perfector in Soft Nude. This is on clearance, yellow tag for $3. This one is a Lancome BB Beauty Balm. This is in Caramel. This is red tagged at $25. And the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, holographic palette. This is $6, red tag. So I normally don't spend much time in the hair section here at TJ Maxx, but they do have It's a 10. And the It's a 10 conditioners, like the deep conditioner, is unbelievable. It's so good. It's an Ulta brand too. This is the Miracle Whip Daily Conditioner for $12.99. This stuff is fantastic. At least the deep one that I have, but I bet that one's really good too. So, holy crap, you guys, there is some tomfoolery going on at the TJ Maxx. Because when you're going to check out, that's like the checkout lane, there is tons of makeup here. The Too Faced Twinkle Twinkle Liquid Glitter, that's $5.99. The highlighter stick, $8.99. Look, they put all the good stuff here. There's more Milani. Oh, the Tutti Frutti Pineapple Paradise. It's the bronzing duo in Pineapple Sun, $9.99. Too Faced Minis Milk Chocolate Soleil, $4.99. Chocolate Gold Soleil, same price. Some of the blushes are over here, $9.99. Do You Powder. This one is $12.99. If you're at TJ Maxx, just look around because they are moving stuff around. So a Stila Trio, Stila Iconic Duo, the You're So Jelly highlighter in rose pink or rose pink? Rose pink, $9.99. Look at this. They stuck all of this up front. Yeah, I didn't see any of these pineapple ones over in the makeup section. $14.99. Gilded Champagne for the jelly highlighter too. Oh, there's a First Aid Beauty matte primer, Pores Be Gone. The tag is sticking to my hand. This tiny little primer. So this little primer is $5.99. It's very small. It's only 21.3 grams. And there's a ton of the Do You translucent powders and the primers. This primer is $10.99. I'm kind of on the hunt for one of the minis. I just want a mini primer. We've seen some Blink products here today. So this is the Blink Gel Eyeliner in black. And it is $5.99. And I saw this one before, the Naked Flushed in the shade Sesso. This is $16.99. It's a trio. And Clinique Even Better Glow. I got one of these before here. I really liked it. $9.99. It's foundation. Several shades, I guess. OMG. See, look, this is why you have to keep your eyes open no matter where you go in TJ Maxx. $22.99 for the Watermelon Slice Face and Eye Palette. First time that I've ever found it in these stores. Yes. See, you just gotta be sneaky. You just gotta go all around, look everywhere. And the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, only $9.99. Down here, a bunch of Pixie palettes. This one looks new. Hello English Rose, Hello Beautiful. This is $9.99. Hey guys, Editing Kara here. No outro, so just a little chat, but wasn't that crazy to find everything at the very end at the checkout line? So it just goes to show you that when you go into TJ Maxx, just kind of dig everywhere you can dig and keep your eyes out in the checkout line, because I don't know, they move stuff around. They're tricky over there. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button. It would help my channel so much. And hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload videos. And don't forget to enter my Trend Mood Box giveaway. The video to enter will be down below in the description box, and it's really cool because it's a whole volume 1 box. So good luck if you enter that, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye guys.